First standard students and their parents, welcome to Savita Powder Academy. This is one and only online learning platform where we provide your Maharashtra State Bureau School Textbook video for English Medium Standard 1. Today we learn 16 numbers. So please take out your mathematics textbook and notebook. F-I-F-T-W-N 15 and 1 makes 16. Yes. See here. Which number? 1 and this one 6. 1, 6. We call this one numbers. Together 16. 16 number spelling S-I-X-T-W-N 16. This one 16 number we write in word S-I-X-T-W-N 16. Please this one 16 number you should write 3 times. Okay. S-I-X-T-W-N 16, S-I-X-T-W-N 16, that type. Okay. Then see 10 blocks 1 time. Okay. 1 building. 10 blocks 1 building means 1 tenth. And here units, because here separately blocks we can see here. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this one 110 means this one 1, and this one 6 means units. 6 units. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 units. Okay, then see F-I-F-T-W-N 15 and 1 makes 16. How many? 10. This one bunch means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. See, this one means 10 and plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5. How many? 15. Okay. And 15 plus 1. This one. How many? 16. Yes. See. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes. All of you understood? Means 10 sticks. When 10 comings, we always see in bunch. Means tens. Okay. And when we see separately match sticks, we call units. Means 10 matchstick when we make a bundle, that time we say 1 unit. 10 matchstick coming, we make a bundle, that time we call 1 tens. And 1 matchstick separately coming, that time we say units. How many units here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 plus 5. 15 plus 1, 16. Okay. Then writing time. Okay. Please trace 1. Slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. Slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. And right side half circle, go upside and join it. 6. Right side half circle, go upside and make a small circle. 6. Okay. Otherwise you trace 3 times. Okay, that type. Okay, and that type also 6. Okay, then you easily can write here 6. Slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, half circle, go upside, make a circle. Okay, please write down fast. Slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, right side curve and small circle. Write down fast. Who finish? Yes, delete. You can write very fast. I know. Yes. 1, 6, 16. 1 means 1 unit. And 6 means, wait. This one 1 means 1 tenth and 6 means 6 units. 1, 6. This one number value place tenths and this one number value place units. Okay, this one house called tens, 1 tenth, and this one house called units, 1 tenth and 6 units. 1, 16. See many bits together here. Bunch 10 means 1. Okay, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 units. 1, 6, 16. Okay, then Next 1 7. 1 7 called 17 number, and this one 17 number how we write in spelling or in word? SEVENTEEN 17. Okay, see this one block. How many blocks? 10. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 means 10 means 110. Okay, and 1, this one 1 means 110, and 7 means 7 units, 7 blocks, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 110 and 7 units means 1 7 17. Okay, see SIXTEEN 16 and 1 make 17. How we write 16? 16 and means plus 1 is equal to 17. 1 7. See 10 match stick coming, one bunch means 110, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, here we write 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, and this one plus 1. Yes, means this one 1 plus 1 means this one bunch. Okay, means 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 7. We got 17. Okay, then writing time. Trace 1 and 7. Okay, 1 7. Slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, slanting line 7. Okay, 1 how we write? Left side small 1 slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, and 7 sleeping line, left side slanting line 7. Okay, otherwise you trace here again and again, and you can write here fast. Okay, write down 1 7 17. 1 7 17. Okay, 1 means 10 units and 7 blocks. Okay, 7 units. 1 means tens. Okay, this one place called tens, and this one 7 means units. Okay, 1 7 17. 1 7 17, or you can write that type standing line and sleeping line, slanting line 7. Slanting line, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line 1 7 17. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 means 1 tenths. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 units. 1 7 17. I hope you enjoy this one lecture. Keep watching Savita Pod Academy. Bye bye. Take care yourself and your parents.